Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to fetch and show all the critical and high priority incident in a widget in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to fetch and show all the critical and high priority incident in a widget in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now, and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn, and today what we are going to create in this video, in this tutorial in ServiceNow with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built in ServiceNow, and here is the logo of ServiceNow, and this is the main navigation bar. Here is the navigation item also, knowledge, catalog, request, system status, cart, tours, and system administrator, which is me. Okay, and here we can see here one search input field as well. So guys, this search input field is going to work exactly like Google search engine. Okay, but guys, we can search here anything inside the ServiceNow database only. We can't search anything from external web world. Okay, but guys, we can be searching anything. Guys, we can literally search here anything, but inside the ServiceNow only. Okay, I'll give you the demo, I'll show you the demo in the next few minutes only. Just be calm and be relaxed and watch the entire video guys very carefully and very patiently, because if you aspire to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future, then guys, this video is very beneficial for you. This video is very suitable for you. If you aspire, if you want to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future, then guys, you must watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently, because guys, I'm going to teach you something, I'm going to explain you something new, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow only. So just watch the entire video very carefully, very patiently, if you aspire to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future. Okay, this is it. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one heading also, fetch and show critical and high priority incident in a widget in service portal. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to fetch and show all the critical and high priority incidents in a widget in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, and guys, below is the incident card. Okay, so I have shown here on each and every incident card guys, we can call this okay as a incident card. Okay guys, I'm going to call this as a incident card. Okay, and guys, on each and every incident card I have shown here the incident number, short description, category, priority, status, assigned to, okay, open by, and short description and description as well. Okay, and guys, you can see here on each and every incident card also I have shown here the great and dynamic tooltip also from Bootstrap. Okay, and in the tooltip I have shown here the priority, and I have shown here the assigned to property as well. Okay, so guys, this is really dynamic and really interactive like incident card I have shown here, and I have created here in ServiceNow service portal widget. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn and we are going to know that how to fetch and how to show all the critical and high priority incident in a widget in ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, and we will just create this interactive and dynamic incident card as well, and we will show the dynamic tooltip as well, and in the tooltip we will show the critical and the the priority and the assigned to value as well. Okay, and this is the incident card. I have shown here the incident short description, category, priority, status, assigned to, opened by, and description as well on each and every incident card. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's know and let's fetch all the critical and high priority incidents in a widget in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, so guys, this is it. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. So guys, you can just watch them and you can definitely guys, okay, learn from them also, and definitely guys, you are going to grow also in your professional IT career. So guys, you have to do here 4 things for me. First of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and second, you have to press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. And guys, third, you have to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and on ServiceNow as well. And guys, fourth, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, just do these 4 things for me, and guys, it will be really help, it will be a great help, okay, for me from you. Okay, so please guys, subscribe now, press the bell icon also, and please do like this video also, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, I hope you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. So guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, so guys, let's get started and let's learn and let's know and let's fetch all the critical and high priority incident in a widget in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, and we will show it on the portal as well, and we will create this dynamic and interactive incident card as well. Okay, so this is it. Let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so guys, this is my PDI personal development instance. Okay, so guys, now first of all, I'm going to create here I will create here 3 things: page, 1 widget, and service portal as well. Okay, so very quickly I'm going to create here first page. So search here pages and click this link to open the page. So guys, now I'm going to create here new page. So click the button new to create the new page. So click it now. So here is the ID. ID is the only required field, and rest all fields are optional field. Okay, so I'll just give you the title as a Prabhat Pandit service now, say here 9. Okay, say here 9. So copy this and copy this and say here page, and say here what is the its title. So paste it here and give the ID as well. I'll give the ID as a say here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, up to 7. Copy this ID as well. It will be easy to search it, okay, later on if we will need to search this page. Okay, this is it. So let's just minimize this, and now I'll just make this public. So check this public checkbox. This is it. Let's just give you this short description as well. So just to give this. Okay, so guys, now just save this file. So right click here and hit save. I'm very sorry. So just to save one more time. Okay, so although it is already saved, okay, so let's just cut this out. I'm going to create here the one portal now. So let's just search here, go to the filter navigator, search here portals, search here portals, okay, and click this portals. So I'm going to create here the new portals now. So click the button new to create the new portals, click it new. So here is the title, and the URL suffix is the compulsory field, rest all fields are optional field. Okay, this is it. So let's just come here and say here portal. So here is the title and URL suffix. This is it. So let's just give you a title as a Prabhat Pandit tutorial in service now. Okay, this is it. So let's just give you the URL suffix as well. So I'll give you the URL suffix as a Prabhat underscore Pandit underscore 9. Copy this URL suffix as well, and let's just paste it here, and copy this title as well of this service portal page, and just paste it here. This is it. Let's just give here, I will just give you the required field only. So add the logo as well. So click this link to add the logo, click this choose file button. So go down, and here is the ServiceNow logo. So click this open and just click this OK button now. So this is the ServiceNow logo. This is it. I'll just give you the main menu and theme. Okay, rest all fields I will leave as it is. Okay, so guys, I'll just give the required field only, and rest all fields I'll just leave as it is. Okay, so choose the main menu. I'll use this SP header as a main menu. I'll choose this theme as a Coral. So click this search icon and choose this Coral theme. Okay, choose this Coral theme, and we have to give here this home page. This home page is very important, very compulsory. Okay, although it is not compulsory, it is not mandatory, but we have to fill this home page field. Okay, so I'm going to give this page, the page we have just created here. So copy this page name from here and just click this search icon to provide the home page, the page we have just created. So paste it here, hit enter. Here is the our page. So let's just click this. Okay, so here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so let's just now save this service portal page as well. So click save, and guys, here is the try it button to try it live. Okay, so I'm going to click this button, try it, to try it live. Okay, so let's just click it now. So here it is, our brand new ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, here is our brand new ServiceNow service portal page we have just created. Okay, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to create here one widget now. So let's just close this as well. So I'm going to create here one widget. So let's just go to the filter navigator, search here widgets, and just click this widget. So I'm going to create here the new widget, the brand new widget. Okay, so click this new button to create the widget new. So here is the name is only required field. So let's just search here, save here the all the details of the widget as well. It will be easy to search it later on. Okay, so name and give the ID as well. This is it. So name I'll give here Prabhat. Okay, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, say here 9. It's 9. So copy this. It will be easy to search it later on. Paste it here, save the details also, and give the ID. Okay, as a I will say here 3 times 7 and 3 times 6. Copy this and just paste this ID as well. This is it. And now here is the description. So let's just say here Prabhat Pandit service now tutorial. This is it. And guys, here is the body HTML template. Here is the CSS column. So we have to write our HTML template here only inside the body template. Okay, and we have to write our CSS inside the CSS column only. And this is the guys server script also. Guys, this is the server script and this is the client controller. Okay, so guys, inside the server script we will write here some JavaScript code, some JavaScript, okay, to fetch the data from the ServiceNow incident table. Okay, so guys, we are going to work here in the server script only. Guys, we are going to work here in the server script only because we are going to work with the ServiceNow table only. So we can only work inside the server script, because ServiceNow table is going to be on the server. It is not on the our machine. Okay, it is not locally available, so we can't write inside the client controller. Rather, we have to write here inside the server script, because ServiceNow is hosted somewhere else. Okay, it is not hosted, it is not there locally on our machine, so we have to write here our script, we have to write here our code inside the server script. Okay, and guys, here we are going to use here the glide record to get the data, to fetch the data from ServiceNow table, from ServiceNow database. Okay, so guys, glide record is the ServiceNow server side API. So guys, glide record is the ServiceNow server side API. We use ServiceNow server side API, that is glide record, to fetch the data, to get the data from database, from any ServiceNow table. Okay, and the table we will use here, the table we want to fetch the data, the table we want to get the data from is incident table, is the incident table, and we will use here the ServiceNow server side API, that is glide record, to work with the ServiceNow table, that is incident table, and glide record is used to fetch the data from ServiceNow database, from ServiceNow table. Okay, this is it. And guys, this data is the global object. Okay guys, this data is the global object. This data will let you guys, this data global object will let you bind your data, your variable, your function from this server script, from this server script to your HTML part, to your Vue part. Okay, so guys, this data object will let you, guys, listen to me very carefully, this data object, this data global object will let you bind the variable, the function, the expression of this server script, of this server script inside your HTML part, inside your Vue part. Okay, inside your HTML part, inside your Vue part, we will be use this global data object to bind our variable, function or expression from this server side script to our body HTML template. Okay, and guys, this function, guys, this function is known as the immediately invoked function expression. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully, this function is known as the immediately invoked function expression, and this function will run, this function will execute on the server once, the moment our widget will be loaded, the moment our widget will be refreshed, this function will run on the server, and we will get the data, we will get the output, and we can display it on the ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, and this function is called as the immediately invoked function expression. It is going to run, it is going to execute once our widget is loaded. Okay, this is it. So guys, now I'll use this data object, I'll use this global data object. So I'll create here one variable first. I'll just say here data, so I'll say here data dot, I can say here title, or I can say here heading. Okay, heading equal to, I'll say here welcome to ServiceNow tutorial with ER Prabhat Pandit. So close this, and now I'll use this data dot heading inside our client controller using this C controller. Okay, using this C controller we can, okay, we can merge this, we can bridge this using this C controller. So I can say here C dot, I can say here title. Okay, this is the only variable name. Okay, this is only variable name. I can say here C dot, copy this data dot heading from here. Okay, and just paste it here. So just close this, and now we will be able to use this C dot title in our HTML part, in our Vue part. Okay, here, so I'm going to create here one div now very quickly. So I'll create here one div, give the class as a container only, container, and close this div now. And inside this div, I'll just create here one h1 element as well. So h1, let's just close this h1 very quickly. I'll just give the class as a header as well. So header, so let's just paste it here, and I'll just use here interpolation or string interpolation, double curly braces, and I'll use here bind once only property. So guys, this double colon is known as the bind once. Okay guys, okay, this double colon is known as the one time binding, and it is used to enhance, it is used to boost our rendering in Angular, in Angular. So let's just paste it here. This is it. So guys, as of now let's just copy this widget name from here. I have already saved all the things, so let's just save this widget now. Let's just save this widget now. And now this is it. So this is our old application, and this is our new widget. And now this is our let's just bring it here. And now you just go to the pages. We have to search your pages first, so click this pages link now and just come here. And now we will search our page with this name now. So let's just paste it here, hit enter. So here is our page. So let's just click this. Let's just click this, and now we will open this page inside the designer. So go to the related links and open this link, open in designer. So click it now. So here is the our page. So first of all, I'll just do here one thing. So I'll just choose here the container 12. This is it. So inside the widget tab only, I'll just search here home page search. So this is the search input field. So let's just bring it here and drop it here. This is it. Let's just configure this. So click this pencil icon very quickly. Let's just click configure this. So I'll just give you the title. Prabhat Pandit. Prabhat Pandit ServiceNow tutorial. This is it. And now give you the short description as a Prabhat Pandit, but it should be some meaningful text. Not your name, not your company name. It should be some meaningful text. Prabhat Pandit. And let's just Pandit, give you AI search option as well. I'll choose this. I'll choose this all the knowledge article I'll choose here. So I'll say here knowledge. Knowledge portal search configuration. This is it. So search here, give you this search result configuration as well. I'll give this knowledge portal search. This is it. Give you a placeholder. I'll say here search anything here. This is it. And let's just give you AI filter source as well. This all knowledge article. So let's just save this very quickly. Yeah, this is it. So let's just click it here and click this pencil icon. So choose upload the image. So click the button upload image to upload the image, background image. So go down. I'll use this image as a background image. So click open, and inside the background style, let's just not choose your default, choose your cover. So this cover, and now click save. So this is going to save automatically. So guys, now this is it. So just come here, and just come here. So let's just bring it here, and now refresh this page. So here is our search engine. Search navigation bar. So we can search here anything. I'll just search here laptop, hit enter. So see, we can see here, click this link. We can order it. We can order this laptop, developer laptop Mac, for our office use, for our like software development. So go to the home now. We can search anything, guys, from this search input field. We can search here any how to configure email, hit enter. You can see here, this is the knowledge article. We can read, we can implement, and we can fix our issues. Like how to configure email, how to fix our Wi-Fi routers, how to fix our net connectivity, such kind of things we can fix by reading this knowledge articles. This is it. So just go to the home now. So now like I told you, we have just created our widget now. So we have just created our widget now. So we have to search our widget now. So now let's just first of all, let's just create here container first. So plus click this plus icon. So click this plus icon now and choose your 12, and now we will search our widget now. So copy this widget name from here, and we will just search now our inside the widget tab, I'm going to search my custom widget we have just created here. So paste it, and here is the custom widget we have just created. So just bring it here and drop it here, and now come here, and now refresh this page. So here is our text, welcome to ServiceNow tutorial with Prabhat Pandit. So this is doing great. So now let me just give you copy this class header from here and go to the CSS column. We have to write our CSS very quickly. So let's just say here, I'll say here font size I'll give here, I'll say here 40px. I'll say here text align, I can say here center, and I can say here okay font weight as well, I can say here font weight as well 900. Okay, this is it. And let's just say here, okay, so say we can say here the font I can say here font family as well, I can say here sans serif. Close this, and now just save this file one more time, click save, and now it is saved. Come here, not here. So now refresh this. So here is the our text. Okay, welcome to ServiceNow tutorial with Prabhat Pandit. So let me just I don't want this okay font family, I don't want this font family. Okay, and instead of 40px, let's just make it 50px font size. So now let's just save this one more time, and come here, and now refresh this page. Yeah, so now this looks cool. Welcome to ServiceNow tutorial with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, come here, and now we have to write our script. Now inside this server script we have to write our script. I'm going to write our script now. So guys, now I'm going to create here one variable also. So I'll say here data dot incidents equal to, I'll create here the initial or the empty array. Okay, so guys, this is the empty array we have just created. Okay, this is it. So now I'll just create here another var. I'll say here gr, I'll just use here the new instances of glide. Okay, I'll just create here the instances of glide record. Okay, I'll just create here the instances or the object of glide record. So I'll just say here glide record, which is the ServiceNow server side API. Okay, it is used to get the data, it is used to fetch the data from ServiceNow database. Okay, this is it. And I'll use here the table as a incident table. So incident table I'll use here, this is it. And now I'll just create here I'll say here gr. Okay, this gr dot add query, so I'll just say here add query, and we have to provide here the field name, and the field name is priority. Okay, and the field name is okay priority, and we will give it the priority value as a 1. So guys, 1 represent as the critical incident inside the ServiceNow table, inside the ServiceNow database. Okay, so guys, 1 represent the critical incident inside the ServiceNow database table. Okay, and this is the field name. Okay, and we will just use here add. Okay, we will just use here dot to group the queries. Okay, so guys, we will use here dot to group the queries. So I'll just say here add or condition. Okay, as or condition, and we will provide here the another field name, which is again the priority, and we will give here the 2 as the okay, so 2 as the high priority incident inside the ServiceNow table. Okay, inside the ServiceNow table, guys, 2 represent as the high priority, and inside the ServiceNow table, this 1 represent the critical priority incident. Okay, critical priority incident is represented by 1, and high priority incident is represented by 2 inside the ServiceNow table, inside the ServiceNow database incident table. Okay, this is it. So guys, this is similar to SQL query. Okay guys, this is similar to SQL query. Okay, where SQL query where priority equal to critical critical or priority equal to high. Okay, so guys, this is similar to SQL query where priority equal to critical or priority equal to high. Okay, so guys, this is it, and using this dot we have just grouped this query. Okay, so guys, using this dot we have just grouped these two queries, okay, all together. Okay, so guys, using this dot we have just grouped these two query all together. We have just merged all these two query in a single query. Okay, so guys, now we have to execute the query. Now we have to execute this query now. So we will say here gr dot, okay, gr dot query, okay, gr dot query to execute the query. So guys, it is similar to execute the query on entire incident table in ServiceNow. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so look, you just go a little up, and now we will use here while loop. Okay, we will use here while loop. Okay, we will use here while loop, and we will say here gr dot next. Okay, so guys, why we are doing here? So guys, why we are saying here while gr dot next? Okay, so guys, why we are saying here while gr dot next? Because I wanted to fetch all the priority. I wanted to fetch all the incident with the high priority, and with the with the critical priority, and with the high priority. Okay, so guys, this while loop, while loop will execute, will run till, okay, till these conditions are okay, till these conditions are true. Okay, so guys, this while loop will execute till these conditions are okay, till these conditions are true. This while loop will execute, will run, and it will fetch all the incident with the critical priority, with the high priority as well. Okay, so guys, this while loop will execute, will run till these, okay, till these two, okay, query are true or are, okay, valid. This while loop will execute, will run, will fetch all the incident with the critical priority and with the high priority as well. Okay, and guys, you will ask me one question: why we are always using here the while loop, and why not for loop, and why not do while loop? Okay, so guys, let me just answer the question. Okay, so guys, we can't use here for loop. Okay, because to use the for loop, we have to know here the index, and we have to know here the number of results inside the database, inside the table, but we don't know the index, and we don't know the number of result inside the database, inside the table. So beforehand, so we can't use here, okay, for loop. So guys, to use the for loop, we have to know here two things. Okay, beforehand, the index and the number of record, and the number of data, and the number of result inside the table, inside the database, to use the for loop. So we can't use here for loop because we don't know the index, and we don't know the number of result, number of database inside the inside the table beforehand. And guys, we can't use here the do while loop as well. Okay, because we also know that do while loop is going to execute, is going to run at least once. So suppose guys, we don't have any data, we don't have any record inside the table, then also the do while loop is going to execute, the do while loop is going to run at least once, and we might get here, we might get to see here the garbage value, the default value, the old value, the bad value, and this will give the very bad expression to our user. Okay, and we might, okay, see some garbage value, and our application might break as well. So we can't use here the for loop and the do while loop. So only while loop is suitable, only while loop is doing great, only while loop will do the justice here. So that's why the while loop is very famous, it is very great to use in ServiceNow. Okay, so while loop is very suitable, very beneficial here to use. We can't use here for loop. To use the for loop, we have to know here index and number of record beforehand inside the database, and we can't use here do while loop as well, because even if the condition is false, even if the condition is not true, the do while loop is going to execute once, and we might see some garbage value. Our application will break, and it will give the very bad expression to our app user, to our application user. So we can't use for loop and do while loop, but while loop is very suitable, very famous, and very useful here. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here one JavaScript object. So let's just copy this data.incident, and let's just paste it here, and we will use here the push method. Okay, so push, I'll just create here the JavaScript object. Okay, I'm going to create here the JavaScript object with the some properties. Okay, with some properties. So let's just go up, and I'll just create here number property first. So number property to show the incident number. So I'll just say here gr dot get value, gr.get value, and the not semicolon is comma. So I'll say here number to grab the incident number. Okay, to grab the incident number, we will say here number. Okay, this is it, and I'm going to say here short. Okay, short description as well, description. So say here gr dot get value, gr dot get value, and I'll just put comma. I'll say here short description. This is it. So let's just create here another property. So let's just remove this, bring it here, and bring it here as well. So in this way we can't see any curvy line. Okay, so this is it. So let's just create here the priority property as well. So priority, and say here gr dot get display value, gr dot get display value. This is it, and not semicolon is comma, and say here priority. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just create here the state property as well. So let's just say here gr dot get here get display value, and put comma, and I can say here the state to grab the state field value, what it is all about. It is on a hold, in progress, resolved, or closed. Okay, such kind of things. Okay, so now I'll just create here the category as well. So category, and I can say here gr dot get display value, and put comma here, and I'll say here category. This is it. So now I can say here the description as well. So description give colon. I'll say here gr dot get display value, and put comma here, and I'll say here description. Okay, to grab the description value, and I'll say here I can say here assign to. I can say here gr dot get display value, comma, I can say here assign to. Okay, assign to, and go down, and now I'll just say here opened by. Okay, opened by also the incident creator who has created the incident. So I'll just say here gr dot get display value, and put comma here, and I can say here opened by field. Okay, opened by, yeah, opened by. So this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, in this way we have just created here our JavaScript object. So now we will just import this also. We will just import this also inside the client controller. So I'm going to do that now. So I'll just say here, so now I'll just say here c dot data, I can say here equal to again c dot this data dot incident. So let's just copy this data dot incident from here, and let's just paste it here. So let's just close this. Okay, so guys, this is it. So now we will be able to use this data inside our c dot data, inside our HTML part, inside our view part. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here another div very quickly. I'm going to create here another div very quickly. So let's just give this div class also. So say here row, and I can say here div flex as well. So let's just close this div now, and inside this div I will create here another div. So create here another div, give the class as well. I can say here call mg, I can say here 4, and on this div only I can say here ng repeat. So guys, inside the Angular, so guys, ng repeat is the Angular directive. Okay, so guys, ng repeat is the Angular directive. We use ng repeat to loop through the array of object, but in the older version. Okay, so guys, ServiceNow uses the Angular older one version. Okay, and guys, inside the newer version of Angular, we use ng4 to loop through the array of object, but Angular one is used by the ServiceNow only. So ServiceNow uses the Angular old version, Angular 1. So we will use here ng repeat to loop through the array of object. Okay, this is it. So let's just close this div now very quickly. This is it. And inside this div now, inside this div I can create here another div, give the class as well. I can say here class equal to card, or I can say here incident. Okay, incident card. This is it. So let's just close this div now, and inside this div I can create here another div, give the class as a inner card, close this div now, and now inside this div I can create here h5 element, or say here h4 element only. Okay, if it is bigger we can decrease it anytime, and I can create here the strong element as well, strong, and I can say here incident, give a space, give colon, give a space, and now we will just use this. Okay, now we will just use this, not this c dot data. So this, okay, c dot data, copy this from here, and now come to the HTML part, and now inside the ng repeat directive we will say here inc means incident in c dot data. So copy this inc from here, and I'll just use here the like interpolation, or we can say here string interpolation, but I'll use here double, okay, double like colon, and this is known as the one-time binding. Okay guys, this double colon is known as the one-time binding in Angular, and this is used to enhance our rendering, enhance our okay app performance as well. If we don't want to update again and again, okay, we will use this double colon, and this is known as the one-time binding, and it is used to enhance the rendering of our Angular app. Okay, so this is it. So I'll just say here inc dot this number to show the incident number. So copy this from here and just paste it here. So guys, as of now, just save this file first. So now come here and now refresh this page. So see, boom guys, boom guys, we can see here is the incident number, guys. Boom guys, here is the incident number, guys. Here is the incident number, boom guys. Okay, so now let's just come here and very quickly I'll show the all the things. So first of all, let me just create here the incident card. So let's just copy this class incident card, and let me just paste it here first. So let's just say here, so I'm going to write here our CSS very quickly. Okay, so guys, I'm going to write here our CSS very quickly. Okay, so guys, now I'll just say here, so I can write our CSS very quickly. So I can say here background color. Okay, so I'll say here background color. I can say here white. I can say here box shadow as well, 3px, 3px and 20px. I can say here RGBA value. So let's just close this. I can say here 0, 0, 0.3. I can give here the border as well. So border I can give here thin, not this, thin, solid, Gainsborough, Gainsborough. Close this, and I can say here border radius as well. I can give you 10px. So close this, and now I can give you the padding as well. So padding I can give you of 15px. Close this, and now I can give you the height as well. So height I can give you the height of 100%. Close this. I can give you the width as well. So width of also 100%, and I can give you the display also flex. So it's display I can say here flex. Close this. I can give you the flex direction as well, flex direction as well. I can say here column, column. Close this. Okay, and I can say here the margin. Okay, top as well I can give you 15px. Margin bottom I can also give, margin bottom I can give you also 15px. Okay, so guys, as of now so it's width. Okay, so guys, now just save this file now. Okay, so it is saved now. So just come here and refresh this page now very quickly. So see, boom guys, this looks now cool and dynamic. Okay, you can see here this looks cool and dynamic now. Okay, now this looks like a card. Okay, so guys, very quickly I'm going to write this CSS first. Okay, I'm going to write this CSS first very quickly. So just come here to the CSS part, and I will just copy this container class also. So copy this container class, come down and just paste it here, and now I can give here the margin top as well, 30px. I can give here 30px margin top, and I can give here margin, okay, margin bottom also 30px. Close this, and I can give here the display also. I can give you the display as a flex. Close this. I can go a little up, and I can give you the flex direction as well, flex direction as a column. Close this, and I can give you the justify content as a center only. Close this, and I can give here, so I can give here the align items as well, center. This is it. Let's just close this, and now save this file very quickly. Okay, so now guys, come here and now refresh this page now. So refresh it. So now, okay, so come here. So now we will just use this row class. So copy this row class from here and just paste it here, and write our CSS very quickly. So I'll just say here display, I can give you a flex, close this, and I can give you the flex direction also. So flex direction wrap, okay, not wrap, it's column, and I can say here the justify content center as well. So I can say here justify content center, close this, and now let's just copy this, okay, call empty4 class, and let's just paste it here, and now we will write our CSS very quickly. So I'll just say here display, okay. So I hope this is already, so yeah, so now this will look cool, although there is no issue at all. Okay, you can see it is clearly visible, it is it is crystal clear as well. Okay, there's no any issue, there's no any problem at all. Okay, if you still have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, I'll just give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so I hope this is guys clearly visible to you. Okay, this is clearly visible to you, I hope. Okay, so now just come here and say here display flex, close this, and now I can give here the margin top, I'll give here 15 px, and now I can give here margin bottom as well, margin bottom 15 px as well. Okay, so just now save this file, and just come here and now refresh this page. So okay, so this looks a little ugly, so come here, so let's just instead of say here flex wrap, okay, and let's just remove this flex column, I mean the flex direction. Okay, we don't need here any flex direction inside the row div. Okay, so now let's just save this, and now come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, so now this looks cool, this looks great. Okay, you can see here this looks cool and this looks great. Okay, so guys, now I'll just show the all the things. Okay, all the incident properties, like okay, assigned to, like descriptions or description category, open by and created by also. So let's just come here, and now let me just create here the p element very quickly. So create the p element, and let's just close this p now, and I can just create here the strong element as well. So strong, and let's just close this strong as well, give colon, and give this as well. Okay, this, so copy this p, and okay, so now instead of, so now just say here inc as well. Okay, inc dot also say here. Okay, so it will save a little bit of time. So now let's just paste it here, 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 let's just paste and paste it one more time. Okay, and let's just, yeah, this is it. So now what I will show here, I'll show here the sort description. So copy this sort description property name from here, and now I'll say here sort description here also, and I'll say here the sort description here as well. So I'll just say here S, capital S and capital D as well. Okay, so it's D. Okay, sort description. So let's just save this one more time and see how it looks like. Okay, so come here and refresh this page, so there is the issue here. So let me check what is the issue here. I hope okay, there is issue here. So it's inc, it's inc here. And what is the issue, guys? You can see, if there is an issue, please guys, okay, do let me know, okay, in the comment box below, what is the issue. Okay, if you find before me. Okay, so sort description, and here is the inc dot short description. So I will just try to cut this out. So cut this out, and let me just check what is the issue here. So save this page first. Okay, so this is it. So come here and now refresh. Okay, so we don't have any issue here. So let's just control Z. So what is the issue here? Let me just check. strong, strong, strong. Let's just cut this entire p, and let's just save it somewhere else. So paste it here. So now let's just save this. So I guess it is now saved. Come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, so we have the issue inside the p only. Okay, so we have the issue inside the p. So let me just paste it here now. Let it just paste it here. So we will check what is the issue here. So we will check what is the issue here. So it's p, it is closing here, and strong. So here is strong, strong. Okay, so let's just remove this. I don't want any issue here, so I don't want any issue. So let's just create here again the strong. Okay, strong, and let's just close this as strong. I don't want any issue here. So instead of, okay, now I'll show here, go down and copy this sort description property name from here, and just paste it here, and give space, give colon, and let's just paste it here, and I'll just say here, okay, description, and this, okay, capital S as well. So now just save this file. So now come here, refresh this page. Yeah, we can see here sort description is now here. This looks cool. Okay, so here is the sort description. So now just now come here, and now just to copy this property name or the entire p element, and just paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste here, paste here, and paste here as well. Okay, so we will just replace the things, no issue at all. Okay, and now so let's just come here, and now we will show the priority. So copy this priority property from here, and instead of description we will say here priority, and instead of, now we will show the state property. So copy this state property name from here, and instead of description we will say here state. Come again, and we will show this category as well. So copy this category from here, and just paste it here, and we will paste it here as well. So instead of sort description we will say here category. Okay, so let's just say here capital C category, and come down, and now we will just use this description as well. So come up, and instead of sort description we will show here description, and we will say here remove this only short only, and description is okay. This is it. So now just copy this assign to property name from here, and just paste it here, to show the assign to property. So now just paste it here, and I'll say here assign to, this is it. And now what I'll show here, the opened by, okay, the creator of the incident. Okay, so let's just paste it here, and let's just remove this, and let's just remove this underscore. I'll say here by, and I'll say here O capital opened by. Okay, and now copy this. Here is the short description. Here is the let's just remove this extra short description from here, and we will show here the priority. It's priority, and this is the state. So state, and let's just remove this back, I mean the gap as well. Okay, so this is it. Let's just now save this file. So it is now saved. Come here and now refresh this page. So see, boom guys, here is the incident card with equal height and equal width. Okay, you can see here, this is the incident card of equal height and equal width. Okay, so guys, this looks cool now. So now we will show here the tooltip as well. So let me just check what is the issue here. I think there is issue here. So remove this extra, 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 remove this, and remove this extra. Save this file, and now let's just come here and now refresh. So here is the incident short description, priority, state, category, description, and assign to, and open by, okay, of a incident. Okay, so guys, now we can see here the incident card looks great and interactive and dynamic, and every card is of equal height and equal width. Okay, you can see here every card is of equal height and equal width. Okay, so guys, now we will show here the tooltip, the bootstrap tooltip. I'm going to show here the bootstrap tooltip now. Okay, so let's just come here, and let's just on this, okay, on this div now, on this, okay, we can create it anywhere on this div or on this div as well. So I'm going to say here the say here inside this div only, on this div only. So I can say here the data, okay, the data toggle equal to, the data toggle equal to, I'll give here the tooltip. Okay, the data toggle equal to, I'll give here tooltip. This is it, and now I can give here the data placement also. Data placement I can give here top. Data placement I can give here top, and I can say here the title. Title I can give here. Okay, so I can say here title equal to, I'll say here priority. Give, now I can say here inc dot priority to show the priority. So priority. Okay, this is it. Let's just save this file first. Okay, no issue at all. We will write here one function as well inside the client script, so go down, we will create here one function now. So I'll just create here dollar. Okay, so now this, and now this I'll use here single quote or double quote. I can say here data toggle equal to, I'll say here data toggle equal to, I can say here tooltip. Okay, data toggle I can say say here data toggle equal to, I can say here toggle. Toggle, and this is the tooltip, so say here tooltip, close this. Okay, this is it. So now save this file, and now come here and now refresh this page. So go down, and here's the tooltip, guys. You can see here priority I have shown here critical, but I will make this tooltip look dynamic, also look cool now. Okay, we can see here is the tooltip on each and every incident card. We can see here I have shown here the priority as well. So here is the high priority, here is the critical 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 priority. Okay, so now I'll just come here, I'll just come here, and now I will just give here the pipe. Okay, I can give you the single pipe. Okay, so let's just give you a single pipe, and now I'll just again use here assign to. I can give you again colon here, and I can say here inc dot. Okay, this assign to, let's just copy this assign to from here and just paste it here. This is it. And now I'll just write here this CSS also. So I'll just say here inside this CSS I'll write our CSS as well. So I can just go here and I can say here tooltip, say here tooltip inner. Okay, is the class I'm going to target it. So I can just say here okay padding, I can give you a padding of 20 px and 20 px, close this, and I can say here text align, I can say here center, and I can say here the max width of I can give you 300 px, and I can give here the border radius, I will give you border radius of I can give you 10 px. Okay, and I can give you the color white as well, and I can give you the background color also. I can give you the background color, so background color we can give you a red. Okay, red will also look great. Okay, we can give you a red as well, and I can give you the font size as well of 20 px. So guys, now just save this file. Now come here and refresh this page. Okay, so now go down. So see, boom guys, here is the dynamic and great tooltip as well. Okay, on each and every incident card I have shown here the priority, and I have shown here the assigned to field as well on the tooltip as well. Okay, so guys, this incident card look cool and look interactive as well. I have shown here the incident number, so description, priority, state, category, description, assigned to, and open by as well. Okay, so now guys, this looks cool, this looks great, and this looks dynamic as well. Okay, so let me just go to the actual size. So go to the actual size. Okay, so now this is the actual size. Okay, this looks also cool, this looks also great. Okay, indeed this looks cool and this looks great. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something great, something cool, something dynamic in ServiceNow today from this video, from this tutorial of mine. Okay, and guys, you are now going to subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys, please guys, do subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, and please guys do like this video also, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos. And please guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now my this channel. It's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Okay, so please guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and I need your help, I need your support. Okay, this is it. So okay, so guys, now if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session in ServiceNow, okay guys, you can ask me in the comment section below. I can read it, and I can definitely guys going to give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, okay. And guys, I'm very sorry for my voice today. Okay, I've got cold, so my voice is like this. I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic in service now. Okay, and you are going to subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.